Join me as I dive into the world of TLT stock and see if I can uncover whether it's really about to explode. TLT stock represents the iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF, which tracks the performance of long-term U.S. Treasury bonds. This ETF is a popular choice among investors looking for a safe haven asset or a way to hedge against market volatility. With the current market uncertainty, many are wondering if TLT stock is poised for a significant move. Interest rates have been fluctuating wildly, causing bond prices to swing in the opposite direction. When interest rates rise, bond prices fall, and vice versa. This relationship has been a challenge for TLT stock, as rising rates have led to declines in its value. The economic conditions have also played a significant role, with inflation concerns and a strong labor market contributing to the rate hikes. The recent rate hikes have been a major headwind for TLT stock, causing it to struggle to gain traction. Many investors have been avoiding long-term bonds due to the uncertainty surrounding interest rates. This has led to a decrease in demand for TLT stock, putting downward pressure on its price. As a result, TLT stock has been trading in a narrow range, leaving many investors wondering when it will break out. The impact of interest rates on TLT stock cannot be overstated. When rates rise, the yield on existing bonds becomes less attractive, causing investors to sell their holdings and buy new bonds with higher yields. This increase in supply drives down bond prices, affecting TLT stock. It's essential to keep an eye on interest rate movements and economic indicators to gauge TLT stock's potential. Market trends are suggesting a mixed outlook for TLT stock. Some investors are bullish, citing the potential for a market downturn or a shift towards more dovish monetary policy. Others are bearish, expecting interest rates to continue rising. Expert opinions are also divided, with some analysts predicting a significant move in TLT stock and others advising caution. Investor sentiment is a crucial factor in determining TLT stock's potential. If investors become increasingly risk-averse, they may seek safe haven assets like TLT stock, driving up its price. Conversely, if investors become more optimistic about the economy, they may rotate out of safe haven assets and into riskier investments, causing TLT stock to decline. Several expert opinions are worth considering. Some analysts believe that TLT stock is due for a bounce, citing technical indicators and historical trends. Others argue that the fundamental outlook remains challenging, with interest rates and economic conditions likely to continue influencing TLT stock. Upcoming economic reports and Federal Reserve announcements could significantly impact TLT stock. A hotter-than-expected inflation report or a more hawkish-than-expected Fed statement could lead to increased volatility in TLT stock. Conversely, a more dovish Fed or a weaker economic report could spark a rally. The labor market and inflation data will be crucial in determining the direction of interest rates and, in turn, TLT stock. A strong labor market and high inflation could lead to more rate hikes, while a weakening economy could lead to a pause or even a cut in rates. In recap, TLT stock's potential hinges on interest rate movements, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. With the current uncertainty surrounding the market, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing conditions. Share your thoughts on TLT stock in the comments below. What do you think will happen next? Check out my other videos for more financial insights and analysis.